Hello students, welcome back to my channel Learn Maths with Pranay. In today's video, we are going to start with a new chapter, that is surface area and volume of various geometric figures. So in today's video, we are going to start with cube. So for cube, we are going to learn how to calculate total surface area, area of vertical sides, and the volume of the cube. Okay. So to understand this, let's take a cube. Okay. So this is just a figure to understand I have made. So you can also make it at your home just to understand how the cube is. Okay. So we can see this is the cube. Okay. We can see the right sides, blue, red, green, and it will again on the, okay, you can see it. Okay. So total surface area. Okay. So you can see there are 6 sides. One this side, 2 red, 2 blue, and 2 green. Okay. So we need to find out area of those surfaces. Okay. So if you know the definition of a cube, all the sides, okay, all the sides that we have, they are equal. Okay. So I'll open this figure, okay, the cube, and will make it simple. Okay. So this is how the cube looks like when we open it. Okay. And each side is length. Okay. L, L, L. Okay. And each and everything, this portion. Okay. So it's basically the length. Okay. So over here we have the 6 sides, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay. So what we are going to do is, we are going to find the area for this portion, the green color square, and we are going to multiply it with 6 sides because cube has 6 sides, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 surfaces. Okay. So first the area of the green portion will be length into length. Okay, so this portion into this portion will get the area for this green portion. Okay, so this we can write it as L square. Okay, so next we are just going to multiply simply by 6 because the cube has 6 surfaces. Okay, so which we can write it as 6 into L square, which is 6L square. So basically the total surface area for cube is 6L square. Okay, so now moving ahead to area of vertical side. So first understand what is the vertical sides. Okay, so I'm again taking the cube and just bringing back to the shape. Okay, so if we keep the shape like this, okay, so the vertical side, this is the top and the one which is at the bottom. Okay, so we have to exclude those and we have to calculate the the area for the vertical. The vertical side is 1. This is red is the vertical side, green is the vertical side, blue is the top, and another this blue is the bottom. So we have to exclude the blue portion and we have to calculate the area for the other portion. So over here we have to exclude the blue portion. Okay, so this is the top, this is the bottom. So we have to calculate at the area for this, and this. Okay, so as we know, the area for this portion will be L into L, which we can write it as L square. Okay. As we know, this is a cube, all the area of the square will be the same thing. But we have to exclude the blue portion. Okay. So we have 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. So we can just simply multiply it by 4. So this is the area of vertical side. So the area of vertical side for cube is 4L square. Okay. So now moving ahead with the volume. Okay. So let me bring back cube again. Okay. So this is the cube. Okay. So this is the cube. So if you can see the cube, so this is the length. This is the length. This is the breadth, and this is the height. Length. So this is the length, breadth, and height. Okay, this is the height. So for volume, you have to just multiply the length, breadth, and height. Okay. So but length, breadth, and height are same. Okay. So we can write it as L into L into L. So which you can write it as L cube. So the volume of cube is L cube. Okay. So just to summarize, total surface area for cube is 6L square. Area of vertical sides for cube is 4L square. and volume for cube is L cube. Okay, so students, that's it for today. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section and I'll try to answer your questions. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.